set will go really slow with it. But it gives me like mid-century vibes. Alright, try it on.
If you can cut it.
Let's cut it.
Did you see her? I wish you could have seen her from the front. It was so cute. She was like, don't tell me that. Let's cut it.
Straight to the block. Right there.
That's fine.
I know you sent me a sample. I don't know if you wear so more of the green side, green. I'll tone this down. You can match it with this.
Like literally.
A little bit of side with
Yeah. That'd be cool.
Okay, I can fix that.
Okay. Is she so fabulous? I do that. That's the neck.
No.
And then this is the pants underneath. And it has that kind of like. Why the 444?
4 is my life pass number. And pretty much 444 is an angel number. Like every time I see 444, it's either an affirmation that I'm setting, and it kind of brings everything into fruition. Every time I catch the time, for some reason,
Yeah.
like I share the same life path with Tupac. I can see that. Pleasure, bro. I'm very shy with like my clothing, so the fact that you love it is making me like,
Wait, what? Okay. I respect that.
your music, your baby, so it's like you're not sure if like the aesthetic that you're bringing off will rub the right people, but the fact that I am doing the right thing is making me be more reassuring of what I'm doing.
Oh. And out.